Believe it or not, I used to have a box fan hanging from string over there. So now I have that drum fan, but I want to be able to take that down and put it on my back porch and replace the pedestal fan with the 2-pack of CAMMOO 20-inch wall-mounted fans from Amazon. So come along, we'll share with you how we install them and how well they work and give you my pros and cons. I was able to use a scrap piece of 2x6 to mount the fan to the wall. This way I can center studs that were in the wall. This particular fan on this side, I had to get up over that electric box, and so we got really close to the ceiling, but that's okay because I really just want that to go straight to my work area. So I like where that one's positioned, and we're going to be putting the other fan on the other side. Once I get that one mounted, then I will clean up the wires. I chose these particular fans because of the hang down remote control. I didn't want to lose remote controls somewhere in the garage, and I also didn't want to have to keep turning it off at the power source like I had done before. So I really like that these remotes are actually attached and hanging down, and you can easily operate them from there. So I've been using them now for a couple of days, and they work really, really well, and they move a lot of air in the garage. It's over 100 degrees here in Central Texas. It's July, and it's hot in the garage. So I really appreciate that I'm going to have these fans moving some air around. These are indoor fans. They're not made for using outside, so they'd be perfect for a shop or a garage or a basement. They do come with all the mounting hardware you need. I've got this all mounted up here. All I did was put a screw in the wall. Whoops. So that I could use the little hangy keyhole thing on the back. And I can just reach up and I can tell it to oscillate, or I can turn it on, off, or whatever by just reaching up to the wall. And I tucked the wires kind of back behind the TV, kind of mounted the power strip so that now all of these things, the fan, the TV, the speaker bar, and this fan are all on this one power strip, and I don't have to turn that power strip off and on. It's going into a big plug here, and I mounted this one on this side. Again, just a little. And I have this one oscillating so that it puts more air around the whole garage. And unfortunately now that means I have no excuses and I get to clean the garage. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, follow my shop for other great Amazon finds. Thanks for watching.